This is the third episode of the webinar, How to Bring Data Management into Finance Practices. In this episode, I'll discuss key questions finance and business professionals have about data. Key value proposition of data management is the design, implementation, and exploitation of data chains. Data chains transform raw data into meaningful information. By doing it, data management answers 5 key business questions about data. The first question is, what information and data do stakeholders need and why? The answer to this question defines data chain's number, design, and structure. Many companies have the same problem. They keep data that's not used anymore in the processes. It requires a lot of extra information technology capacities and costs much money. Therefore, optimizing data chains is one of the data management goals. The second question is, who does what? We will discuss the role of finance in the course of this webinar. The third question is, what do information and data mean? It's not a secret that the definition of a customer used in finance and sales departments differs significantly. Therefore, we need a common vocabulary for company and industry to understand each other correctly. The next, maybe the most important and challenging question is, where is data located and which transformations has data undergone? The larger the company and the longer the application chains, the more difficult it's to answer this question. Often finance should answer these audit questions to explain some figures and reports. How much time do you and your colleagues spend answering these questions? For that, you must discover where and which transformations data underwent. It can take days, can't it? And the last but not the least important question is the quality of data. I know that many finance professionals still spend much time correcting data errors in Excel. Is it a finance task? The answer is no. Data management should manage that finance gets correct data. I demonstrated the components of data management cycle involved in the answering this question. So in this presentation, we'll briefly discuss the role of finance in answering each of these questions. The rest of this webinar is available at the Crossroads Online Academy site. You can see the link here on the slide.